Hello everyone, salutations. So today we are going to continue with SOP2. As per the question, SOP2 has to be done with the help of mail merge feature. You have to send invitation, birthday party invitation to at least 5 friends. Okay, so I have already prepared a letter. It's an informal letter. Body of the letter is totally up to you. Okay, so birthday invitation, it's a very simple informal letter. You can prepare it, and as you can see, I have not mentioned name of the friend. Okay, so the idea of mail merge is to prepare a database of certain details of friends. Okay, and you can prepare a document, and the name of the friends can be attached with this document. That means that entire database can be attached with this document, and individual letter of for each friend will be prepared. That is the basic idea of mail merge. So let's perform. Okay, so here I want to enter the name of the friends. Okay, so I'll click on tools, click on the tools tab, choose this option mail merge wizard. So you have to perform all of these steps correctly, then only the mail merge will be successfully done. Okay, so there are 5 steps over here. I'm going with this first step, use the current document. So I have already prepared a document, so I will use this option. You can choose any other option depending upon your situation. For example, if I've already saved a letter, you can choose an existing document and choose the document by clicking on the browse button. Okay, you have not prepared any letter, so go with this second option. Okay, so in that manner I have already prepared a letter. I am using this first option. You can either click on the next button or just click on this second next step. Okay, so I'll click on this step number 2. Here 2 options are there. Choose letter or email message. Now if you choose email message, you have to provide email ID of the friends. Okay, so right now I will go with this first option, letter. Okay, then step number 3, insert address block. Okay, so I have already prepared 2 3 address blocks. Okay, address list, sorry, I have prepared address list. So by default it's showing a name of an address field. Address list, you can choose if you have any address list. Okay, otherwise create totally new. I'll demonstrate how to create a new address list. Click on this create button. Okay, then click on the customize button. Whatever you want you put, otherwise remove it. Title, Mr., Mrs., all these things you have to mention in title. Okay, so right now for an informal letter I do not want any title as such to mention, Mr., Miss, or anything like that. So I will just delete this. First name, yes, you want a first name. Okay, for an informal letter, most thing is needed, that is the first thing. Okay, but if it is a formal letter, you will need other details also. So you can keep other details, but for now I will just use this first name. Okay, and last name also I will keep. Rest of the details I'll just delete. Okay, so I'll click on delete button to remove all this, and this customization is only for this particular address list. It's not permanent. Next time you are going to create an address list, so all these options will be available. You can customize as per your need. Okay, then click on OK. After clicking on OK, you have to enter records. Okay, so see this show entry number, it is entry number 1. Okay, so if you want you can still customize. For example, you do not want the last name, you can just delete it. Okay, and click on OK. So right now you have only first name. So in first name also you can just put name as well as a gap and a surname, however you want. Okay, so I'll type the name, entire name as well as surname, or simply Madhu. Okay, however you want you can type. Now after entering one entry, click on new button for next entry. Now this will be entry number 2. Yes, all 5 entries have been done. Click on OK. It is asking to save. You can save in this particular location or you can choose any other location also. I'm going to choose desktop and give a file name, friend list 2020. Okay, in this manner. Save. Okay, so now see, whatever is recently made has been highlighted in this manner, and you can click on OK. See, this friend list has been selected. Okay, here you can edit, click on more and edit which type of address list do you want depending upon the details that you want to display. I just have first name. I will go with first name and click on OK. All right, now see, this is record number 1. Okay, all the details are available. Match fields, click on match field. I have only first name in first name. I have mentioned a surname also with a gap. Okay, so this is fine for me. I will click on step number 4, or you can also click on step number, sorry, this next button. All these 4 steps, all the steps now it should look active. Okay, none of the steps should be disabled. So let's go to step number 4. Here you can choose salutation. Okay, I do not want any salutation. I will just remove this. Okay, click on the next button or click on step number 5. I'll click on next. Okay, so now here you can see this address block. After dear, first name will be displayed and the letter, and first name here also it will be displayed, but we will remove from the individual, from the letter. Okay, we will see how to remove this one. This one looks extra here, we do not want. So now you can click on finish. So now see, here first name, you can also adjust this little bit in this manner, remove the spaces, these are extra. So you can just click on delete button, it will be deleted. Delete. Okay, delete extra things that you do not want, click on delete. All right, I think so this is fine. Okay, so now once you have done all the 5 steps, these options will be available: edit individual document, save merge document, send as email. Okay, and many other details are there. Address book source. Okay, you can click here, and if you want to add anything else you can add. Okay, you want to edit anything you can edit, but I will go with this option, edit individual document. So now see, 5 letters will be ready. This is first letter for Madhu Patil, second for Ramesh Sappal, third for Sahil Pimple, fourth for Kalpana, and fifth for Mohit Pant. Okay, and one extra is there. If you want, you can just remove it. Okay, simply select and just delete it if you do not want. Okay, so in this manner the letter will be ready, and individual editing can be done. Increase the font size. Okay, individual editing can also be done, but before you can after preparing every copy, you just cannot assume it is ready to send. You have to review it once again, is everything fine. Okay, so here I wanted to increase the font size. I increased the font size. So after mail merge you can review it, make some changes, do some editing. Okay, and then make your ready letter ready. So this is how you saw a very simple application of mail merge, but mail merge can also be used to prepare report cards. Okay, a copy of report card can be made, and address block of subjects, different subjects in different area can be prepared, and in one go if you just have the mark list. Okay, mark list and one document of report card, it can be linked and report card of entire class can be prepared. Then similarly, mail merge is also helpful for banks and organizations where they are preparing letters in this manner, email messages, okay, where the content is almost same, content is not very different, okay. For banks, okay, wherever they want to give some monthly indication, okay, some monthly report or quarterly report in the form of email, they are sending it to the customer or in printed format. So little bit different details will be can be done with the help of mail merge, okay. For example, name of the customer, address of the customer, and then some bank account number, amount, all these things can be done with the help of mail merge, okay. So not necessarily mail merge is done only here. Mail merge address block can be inserted anywhere in the letter wherever needed. So all those details can be attached with the help of address block. You have to prepare the document effectively, and multiple letters are prepared in one go. So that is effective use of mail merge. Okay, I hope so you have understood the concept of mail merge. Practice in this manner and your mail merge will be easily done. I hope so this demonstration was helpful to you. Please share it with your friends and colleagues. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and SOP videos for 11th standard will be coming up daily. So please stay in touch. Please subscribe the channel, be updated and give me suggestions. I'm getting a lot of suggestions. I have recently got a suggestion to um, prepare SOP4 video of skill set to HTML5 that will also be coming up soon. Okay, so please stay tuned. Take care everybody. See you in